everyone, a very good day. This presentation is actually to present a conceptual paper on factors affecting green purchase behavior. The green purchasing or eco-label product is a type of positive statement identifying a specific product or service as being less harmful to the environment than other similar products or services. Several types of environmental damage result from product materials where the manufacturing processes should be minimized. Hence, by purchasing green items, consumer can help to prevent or lessen environmental damage. In Malaysia, consumers have shown a high level of environmental awareness, but display moderate outcome in purchasing green products. Thus, this paper aims at presenting the reviews of the literature on the factor influence on purchasing green products by consumer. From the study ranging from the year 2012 to 2022, many factors has been identified toward green purchasing such as consumer environmental concern, green labeling, quality of the green products and green purchasing attention. The keyword for this paper are green purchasing, green labeling, green purchase attention and environmental sustainability. As the introduction, in Malaysia, the impact of global warming, mismanagement of river basins and deforestation has caused massive floods due to heavy rains, water cuts and shortages. Realizing the rising environmental problem, the government and industry players have been working hand in hand in green programs like reducing the plastic bag usage, providing facilities for recycling activity and encouraging green purchasing. Samdasani, Chunlin and Richmond 1993 defines a green product that should be able to satisfy the consumer needs while not damaging the environment and contributes toward a better world. Green purchasing is the purchase of environmentally friendly products and services that have a lower impact on human health and the environment than competing products or services with the same purpose. By Chan 2001. In our literature review, the first point that we will discover is consumer environmental concern. Environmental concern is defined as a global attitude with indirect effects on behavior through behavioral intention. Dunlap and Van Leer 1978. Environmental concern, according to some other academics, is a strong attitude toward environmental preservation. Kaufman et al. 2012. An environmentally conscious customer is defined as someone who understands that the creation, distribution, use, and disposal of items results in external costs and who assess these external costs negatively, attempting to reduce them by her or his own behavior. Brunets and Jah 1995. Environmental concern, on the other hand, involve an awareness of environmental issues as well as a readiness to support and directly participate in the management of environmental challenges. A study conducted by Gatin et al. 2011 found that consumers that are environmentally concerned do not always act in environmentally responsible manners. The second point in our literature review is green labeling or eco-label. An eco-label or green labeling is a voluntary claim that a product has less impact on the environment with either production or consumption of that product. Some schemes associated with eco-labeling that classified by SIRIM, known as Standards and Industrial Research Institute of Malaysia, are energy conservation, agricultural products, degradable, non-toxic plastic packaging materials, hazardous metal-free electricals and electronic equipment, biodegradable cleaning agent, and recycled paper. It is by May et al. 2012. In previous studies, shows that consumers would purchase and are willing to pay more for green label products. However, green labeled products also contain potential dangers and drawbacks, especially when producers overclaim ecological responsibility or performance. The third point in our literature review, which is green products quality. A significant dimension in product selection is the perceived level of quality, which is an overall evaluated rating of a product's pieces. It is defined by Dawn and Berhoff 2011. Convenience, availability, and quality are all essential factors in consumers' purchasing decisions. The product quality can be a good starting point for providing customer satisfaction and producing customer loyalty. Johnson and Atlee 2001 explained that product quality as the results of performance, which in turn can be labeled as the degree of customizations and freedom from defects or how reliable the product meet customer requirement. The product quality dimension included product packaging, product design, product features, warranties, and etc. Many firms can not only incorporate a green or environmental concept into their product feature, design, and packaging to boost product distinction, but they can also serve customers' environmental needs to increase customer loyalty and gain a competitive. The last point discussed in our literature review is green purchasing intention. According to Edison 1985, subjective norms, belief about what others think is right or wrong, behavioral patterns, which is individual belief about the outcome associated with a behavior, and the perceived behavioral control, known as individual belief about their control over adopting a specific behavior, are all influenced to the purchase intentions. Green buying intention refers to the person's willingness and capacity to prefer goods with more environmentally friendly qualities than typical ones. According to previous studies, one of the primary green purchase intentions correlates to environmental problems. The aims of buying green goods corresponds to the intention of consumers' desire to purchase a product that causes less harm to the environment and society. Here, the goal is for a buyer to purchase an environmentally friendly product or brand after learning about its green features. So, as discussion and conclusions, the analysis from the studies reveal that there has been a considerable increase in the study of the factors and features of the impact of green purchasing in the current time as compared to earlier periods. Environmental awareness on green product knowledge is widely understood and accepted by consumers. However, Liao et al. 2020 investigated the effects of green customer value and attitudes toward green products on green purchase intentions, as well as the moderate effect on green marketing and green psychological benefits on the quality, on the relationship between attitude, customers, and green purchase intention, using a signal theory to integrate the theoretical foundations of green purchasing. As a conclusion, caution should be given to the green purchasing, eco-label product issues in the environment since it is less emphasized by public. This article review will enhance the body of knowledge of green purchasing, eco-label product that the environment will benefit from with a more comprehensive understanding of relationship, especially in Malaysia. Thank you for lending me your ears. We have come to the end of the presentations. Thank you and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.